Good morning, Jacob Wheeler, Red Rock Roofing, standing for greatness. Today, I'm on top of 1970 Glennwood in Boulder. Thank you so much, Sue, for allowing us to come up here on your roof. First thing, guys, that I want to point out while I'm taking a look at the roof is what's called drip edge. Drip edge, by code, is a 2-inch by 2-inch metal flange designed to completely encapsulate your eaves here. Now, what this does is go 2 inch down and 2 inches behind the shingle to go ahead and remove any kind of wind-driven rain or water migration into the system underneath these shingles here. So that looks good. That is a code item. Always great to see. Next thing I want to point out is what's called collateral damage. Collateral damage are signs and indicators up here on your soft metals indicating that there was a storm at some point in the life of this roof. Now, you do have these fantastic steel turtle vents, which show very little damage. I'm not seeing that signs and indicators that there was hail up on this roof in regards to the collateral damage. However, next thing we want to look at is going to be called spalling. Spalling is when hail hits the shingle, dislodges the granules, showing the fiberglass matting underneath. Now, you can see a couple examples here where the shingles have lost its granules. And if you take a close look there, you can see that fiberglass matting underneath. Now, traditionally, I'm looking for about 6 to 10 of these hits to qualify you for a full replacement in regards to the hail damage up here. Now, with that being said, the amount of granule loss that we're showing up on this roof is going to make it very difficult for any insurance company to go ahead and qualify you for a full roof replacement. So I want to throw that out there. However, with the extended amount of damage that we're seeing on this roof, either way, it's definitely time to know what your options are. A couple things I definitely want to point out here, starting with the back of the house. If you take a look, first and foremost, this is a flat section of house, which means that we should have a flat roof application, which means we should not be seeing these asphalt shingles up here at all. We should actually have a flat rolled roof material. With that being said, we do see some damage over here as well. If you take a close look here, you can see a rather large hole. Now, this is not just damaging the shingles, but the decking as well. So definitely something you want to be careful with while you're out here on the roof. Also, you did, or I did mention previously that you did have the ventilation up here. You have 2 vents on this side of the house, as well as 4 on this part of the house. Now, overall, the roof is a little bit crispy, which is telling me that even with these 6 vents, you are still highly underventilated. Now, more evidence of that, besides the crispiness of the roof, is also found in all the nails that we're starting to see pop up. Now, what happens is when an underventilated roof stays underventilated for a while, you start to see these nail heads start to appear coming up from the roof. Now, this happens over time. Unfortunately, this is a fantastic place for water to migrate. Even these ones here, which don't appear to be as extreme as this one here where the metal is pulled up, is still a fantastic place for water to migrate. It's definitely time to know what your options are in regards to this roof, but either way, we definitely need to seal it up to go ahead and stop any further damage from happening. You can take a look here. You got several holes and rips and shingles missing throughout the system on this roof. All in all, definitely time to know what your options are. Jacob Wheeler, Red Rock Roofing, standing for greatness. I appreciate your guys' time, and we look forward to helping you out in any way we can. Just showing you one more spot of damage here. You can actually see the raw decking up here. Thank you guys so much. Have a very blessed day.